What's up, IT ninjas? If you're looking to learn how to install Cisco Umbrella, you'll need to stick around for this video. Before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new content, fixes, and guides you're going to want to watch. Just takes a second and really helps out the channel. This guide assumes you have a Cisco Umbrella dashboard, and to get started, go to login.umbrella.com or dashboard.umbrella.com. Once in, navigate to the Deployments, Core Identities, and then the Roaming Computers tab. I'll make these links available in the description as well as all file paths. Next, we're going to download a couple of items needed. Click on Roaming Client. We are going to download the pre-deployment Windows package, Windows x86 64. Click on that. And the download module profile. This has the JSON file which contains the unique information, organization ID, user ID, and fingerprint. Click on that. After the files have been downloaded, extract the zip file. Here we only care about the core VPN pre-deploy MSI and the Umbrella pre-deploy MSI. Watch what happens when I try to run the Umbrella-only MSI. We see that Umbrella requires the Cisco Secure client to be installed, so we'll actually run that first. Running the core VPN, we'll press Next, I accept, Next, and install. And finish. Now we'll run the Umbrella pre-deploy MSI. Next, accept, next, and install. Next, navigate to the folder location, ProgramData, Cisco, Cisco Secure Client, Umbrella. Take a copy of the JSON file and place that into the folder we just opened. Now let's open the Cisco Secure Client that was just installed. Initially, the Cisco Secure Client may show the status that Umbrella is either inactive or active with a red X status. But if we were to navigate back to the Cisco dashboard, we can see that our PC, named BBQ-PC, is now showing as an identity listed in the roaming computer section. After a few minutes, the Umbrella status in the Cisco Secure Client is now showing active and a green check mark. If the status is taking longer than expected, you can restart the 3 Cisco Secure Client services in the services MMC to expedite the process. And make sure to put the JSON configuration file in the folder location noted in this guide. In the next video, we'll take a look at installing the Cisco Umbrella client with PowerShell and omitting the optional AnyConnect VPN client. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful installing Cisco Umbrella. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.